Hi everybody, it's Lori from Dee's, and today we are going to make this adorable welcome to my home pineapple door swag. So this is really cute. I think this would be great for anybody, but it would also be great for a housewarming gift for someone who's just gotten that new home because pineapples are obviously a symbol of welcome. So this is just really cute and it's going to be really quick and easy. So in your kit, like always, you're going to get everything that you need. So these two stems are what we're going to use to create our swag. And I already took the liberty of kind of trimming them off on the bottom. But because these are paper wrap stems, like always, you're going to want to dip them in your glue and let that seal off that paper a little bit so that they don't come unwrapped. So I'm going to take this one too, and I just dip it down in there, just so where we cut that stem, it just seals it off all nice and neat. Next, we are going to go, and like always, you want to fluff open your greenery and bring it to life. And this is just really pretty. This is magnolia and fern leaves, and this is just a really nice piece. Next, we have this beautiful berry piece. I just love these colors with that pineapple. It's very pretty. And these are my favorite leaves. We have a wreath that has very similar leaves to it. And it's just one of my favorites. And the green is so bright and happy. So we're just going to fluff this up all nice and pretty. Make sure you go through and touch everything and kind of bring it to life. So then you're going to take this piece and we're simply going to lay it right on top of our magnolia piece, just like that. And then, of course, you're going to need to go back in and kind of integrate the two together. So you'll just kind of move your pieces around and just kind of blend them together. But it'll come together really quickly and nicely. So I'm going to go up about right up in here where my fingers are. Oh, I'd say maybe about a third up. And I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to wrap my wire in here around my two stems, just like so. And pull that nice and tight. Now, we're also going to want to take a piece and make a little hanger at the top of our, well, no, I'll show you what we're going to do for our hanger. So we've got this all bundled together. So next we're going to take our pineapple. And we're going to take our pineapple and we're going to run our wire from where we just connected our two stems together through our pineapple. So before, when I was talking about the hanger, the reason we don't need the hanger is because we have a hanger on our pineapple that we are going to use. So we're just going to take that and twist that nice and tight to attach those stems to our pineapple. And then we're going to take our cord here, our jute little hanger that's already existing, and just pull that to the back. And there we have our hanger. So go back in and fluff up your greenery, and you can kind of move it around and position it to make it pretty around your pineapple. It's whatever you like. And kind of bring your leaves and kind of fluff them up. I'm going to move these sticks kind of up in there and fluff these other leaves around. Okay, so next we are going to create our bow. So we're going to start out with this beautiful plaid ribbon. So the greens are actually pretty neutral colors. I know this little splash of the orange to mimic this little bit of stripe in this maybe not be as neutral, but it helps this pineapple to pop. But this would be great to match anybody's decor, really. Greens are just such a perfect color. So, of course, we're going to start out with our wide ribbon. We're going to leave our short tail up there and make 2 loops with our bow. We're going to go in and add the skinny dot, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And then we'll have a nice long tail. And then now we're going to go in and add just that little pop of orange to bring out that pineapple and that stripe in our green ribbon. Pinch and gather. So there you've got your bow made. And we're going to take our second piece of wire and we're going to wrap that around our bow and twist that nice and tight like a bread tie to keep our bow all intact. And then we're going to use that wire to add this right on to our door hanger. So we're just going to go right up in here, take it around our two stems, and just twist. Twist that bow right on. Pull that nice and tight, and again, you're just kind of twisting it a few times to hold it nice and securely. Go back out, and we're going to fluff up our ribbon and trim our tails. That's really important. You always want to have pretty tails on any floral pieces that you're making. And these are going to be a little longer. Kind of let them go down that side. And you can leave these as long or as short as you want. That's all personal preference. And you can just kind of bend them. That's what I love about the wired ribbon. Kind of bend them and kind of give a little shape to them. And how cute is that? That would make a wonderful gift for anyone. So, as always, these kits are available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Thanks for tuning in. See you again soon.